Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Infosys intern for 2023 passed out student with the different domains, what all the internship they are providing, everything I am going to explain now. So watch the video till the end. I will provide the link in the description so you can apply now. While applying this, any questions or anything, if you have doubts you are thinking, you just comment me in the comment section. I will clarify your doubt. So let's go to the video and start how to fill the form, what all the areas you are interested in, what all they are providing, everything I'm going to explain now. First thing will be tell me about yourself. They mentioned here star is a mandatory things you should fully upload this. First name is as per the passport they are mentioned. So it should be a Aadhaar card or PAN card. It will be you can mention like this also no problem. Your name and your last initial, email address, alternate email ID no need, contact number you just want to click here and you just want to go to 91. 91 is our Indian number. So just want to I where is there. So many candidates don't know what is the meaning for 91. It is an Indian call MNC number. So just want to go with 91. Yeah, like that you just want to give. So just want to give your phone number, 10 number, and the next what you are studying and where you are studying, which region you are from. We are from Asian country, so just want to give Asian country and university name, which college you are from, current academics, what you are studying, bachelor, which year, 2020, what is your CGPA out of 4, full semester, and academic concentration, what you are filling, expert graduation, which month you are from graduated, and the skills which you already know. They mentioned C, C++, Python, Java, UI, designer. This is what you should see clearly. What would you like your internship to be? So what you are doing an internship, it will be a main project and it will be a lifetime only. So you just choose your project as much advantage in your future in MNCs called top MNC TCS Wipro what their client handling project if you are taking service based company and product based companies and everything is there. So like that you just want to choose it. Adobe Photoshop, AI, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, advanced engineering, analytics, and analytics time series data, and Python, data algorithm, and C++, Java, JavaScript, Angular, HTML, artificial intelligence, NLP, and DevOps, and data science and big data science, blockchain and data security, and the business field 365 data analyst, and computer cloud computing, cyber security. This are all the areas they are providing almost 250 areas they are providing for internship. If you are finished this internship and kept in your resume, it will be a look like a branded resume. So what is the meaning for branded resume? You already know some knowledge in this domain, so easily you can pick from any company like Wipro, TCS, Capgemini. So this all the top companies they will pick you. And next question will be when you can be intern, from which month to which month they should provide here, and choose your resume. You can build a resume in Canva or any portfolio, it's your wish. After filling that, you just want to wrote the number like the way with the 77 TJ0. Like that, you just want to keep the number and you just want to submit it. This is all the registration process. While if you are not able to submit it, please comment which one you are having doubt. I will clarify your doubt in the comment section. So thanks for watching this, guys. Just to forward to 2023 internship student. So if you are watching any 2021 and 2015 to 2021 passed out student, you can just forward to them to your juniors, and it will be helpful for me, and it will be helpful for them also. So thanks, guys.